Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Growing Cars Show. Today we're unboxing something truly special, the Hot Wheels Ferrari SF90 Stradale, model code HYW34. This 1/64 scale diecast belongs to the Factory Fresh series, number 191 out of 250 for 2025 and Case P, a fresh edition that every Ferrari enthusiast will love. This tiny SF90 comes in the iconic Ferrari red with sharp aerodynamic lines faithfully reproduced by Hot Wheels. The details capture the essence of Maranello's first plug-in hybrid supercar. Compact in size, yet with the aggressive stance of a real hypercar, a true jewel in 1/64. Now let's talk about the real Ferrari SF90 Stradale. Under its hood lies a 4.0-liter V8 twin-turbo engine, paired with 3 electric motors, for a total output of 1,000 horsepower. That's 735 kilowatts. It's Ferrari's technological masterpiece, blending tradition with electrification. Performance is breathtaking, 0 to 100 km/h in just 2.5 seconds and a top speed of 340 km/h. With its 4,610 mm length and sculpted aerodynamics, the SF90 Stradale is as much a work of art as it is an engineering beast, a true symbol of Ferrari's future. Whether in real life or in 1/64 scale, the SF90 Stradale is a must-have. Hot Wheels delivered a miniature that perfectly represents the spirit of this hypercar. For collectors, it's another gem that brings Ferrari passion into our dioramas and displays. Thanks for watching today's unboxing. If you enjoyed this Ferrari showcase, make sure to like, comment, and share your thoughts with us. And don't forget, don't miss out. Subscribe to our channel for daily diecast content, unboxings, 360-degree views, and dioramas every week. Non perderti I prossimi video. Iscriviti al canale per contenuti quotidiani su modellini in scala 1/64, unboxing 360 degree e diorami ogni settimana.